There are so many shaders available for Minecraft, but beautiful shaders require a powerful graphic card, even to get playable FPS, and the shader which doesn't are actually nothing more than a slight lighting boost. But I have found out the best shader which does not need any beefy computer and gives top level visual enhancements while maintaining the frame rates. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. To install this shader, you will first have to install Optifine, which we have installed in this video. Click on I button to watch that. After installing Optifine, open any browser. In address bar type bslshader.com or open the link given in description. Click on download and download the version you want. After shader is downloaded, open the file location in File Explorer. Copy BSL shader zip file and paste it in Shaderpack folder in .minecraft folder. Now you can launch the Minecraft, go to settings, video settings, shaders and click on BSL shader to enable it. For the sake of this video, we will tweak it for low-end computers. Now set the render quality and shadow quality to 0.5x. Then you can click on shader option and customize shader as per your requirements. Click on this profile until you set it to low. Then go to camera menu and turn off bloom, lens flare, vignette and underwater distortion. Now go to material, specular and reflections and disable reflections. Go to anti-aliasing and turn off both FXAA and TTA. In water menu, turn off normals and parallax. Finally, go to animation menu and turn off all these options. For more performance improvement, you can follow the guide shown in how to install Optifine video, where I have explained how to get more FPS irrespective to if you have shader installed or not. So click on the video on left to watch that. And that is it for this video. Like if you liked it, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.